Welcome to the World Baseball Classic, where it's the semifinals here at Lone Depot Park in Miami, Florida. It's Team Netherlands taking on Lehigh Valley. John Shelby and Chris Singleton on the call. Team Netherlands up next on the bracket. Their style of play is kind of hard to pin down, isn't it?
Well, it's the mix of cultures, right? I mean, you've got the European side, which is more focused on small ball and tactical play. Then you've got the island side coming from Aruba and Curacao, which is more about power. I'd say it's a pretty good mix.
First pitch coming your way next. And towing the slab, Parker Messick. Chris, what should we keep an eye on here with him? Ready to go now, Ray Patrick Ditter. Now at the plate. And we're off and rolling in Miami.
That's the ball.
In today's game, not that many fastball counts, but hitters still in the back of their minds, they're looking for one. 2-0 changeup call right there. Excellent pitch selection to go with.
2-2 down. And a swing and a miss. And there's one away.
The center fielder, number 3, stayed on Rafaela.
Comes up empty. Lone Depot Park just underway here. Gets a piece, and it stays 0-2. In the air, left field. Sheets settles underneath it. 2 down.
Just pulled off of it a little bit right there. That front shoulder coming open instead of staying closed. If he does that, he's going to be able to go up the middle the other way with some authority instead of a fly out to left.
Xander Bogaerts in the box here. Lets that one go for a ball. Ground ball left side. Gets it to first. Bogaerts retired. And it's a 1-2-3 inning. Back here at Lone Depot Park. Today's starting pitcher, Jaytwan Kelly. What do you got on him, Chris? Stepping in, Ellie De La Cruz. First offering, and it just misses. A little out front there as he swings through it.
And he really sells the changeup with that arm action.
Sliced hard, but foul down the left side. Gets a piece and stays alive. The 1-2. That one missed. Here's a swing and a line drive, and that's a base hit into right field. So a runner aboard to start the inning.
Batting second, the designated hitter, number 5, DJ Abrams.
Ball 1.
The 1-1. Tap foul to plate. De La Cruz on at first. Nobody out.
That's the ball.
In the air, left field. Ditter on the move. Makes the grab on the run. And there's one away. At the plate, Carlos Cortez.
Outside, that's the ball.
Man at first, one away. The kick and the pitch. Runner goes. Strike in there. Safe. De La Cruz gets his first steal of the game.
That's ball 2.
Outside low. Ball 3. Foul ball there. Man at second. And ball 4 to a board.
Well, he took his chance at getting into chase right there, but with first base open, walk not a bad thing. He set up a double play opportunity if he can induce a ground ball.
Oh, that's good.
This one in the air, center field. Rafaela moving under this one. He's got it. Runner tags at second. And he gets to third safely. Moving up on the fly out. And there are 2 gone. Now it's going to be Ben Rice. Fouls away the first offering.
So now it's all about protect mode. Try to shorten up, try to track the ball, block it if you have to, as far as just a late swing that maybe you're not sure about. But
meanwhile, this pitch gets away, but all the runners hold.
That's ball 2.
Swing and a high fly ball right field. That one back, that one on its way, and it's gone. He'll circle the bases, and that's how they take the lead. It's 3-0.
you can't ask for a better start than hitting a home run in your first at bat to give your team the lead. When you're lacking velocity, it's so critical that you move the ball around, change speeds, even try to trick the hitter at times. But when you give up a home run right there, manager doesn't have a lot of patience because the velocity is not there to overcome and get the swing and miss.
And it's through for a hit. So he gets on base and keeps it going.
Wastes no time there. Timing on the swing was good. Able to shoot the ball up the middle. Didn't square it up as much as he probably would have liked, but that's a good approach paying off.
Trent Grisham now at the plate as he swings through strike 1. Late swing, foul to the left. And the 0-2.
That's outside.
Laboring here. About to throw his 30th pitch of the inning. On the ground right side. Throws to first. That takes care of Grisham. And that is the inning. Good to have you back. John Sciambi alongside Chris Singleton, bringing you all the WBC action from Lone Depot Park. Top of the second. Here is Ozzie Albies up to hit. On to first. 1 pitch and 1 out. The 0-2. Fouls it back with 2 strikes. Hacks and misses. It's a strikeout. 2 down, base is empty. Next to hit, Hendrick Clementina. Hey! Late on that fastball. And down on strikes. That's out number 3. Welcome back to the World Baseball Classic. Now the left fielder, Gavin Sheets. This one in the air, center field. Rafaela in position. And a quick out, number 1. Hit in the air, left field. Ditter has a beat on it. And there's 2 away. Back to the top of the lineup, Ellie De La Cruz. The next to hit, a single and a run scored and a walk. That's a laser base hit. So a 2-out knock keeps the inning alive.
You'll often hear the phrase short to it, long through it, and that's a great example of it right there. Got the barrel in the hitting zone early, squared it up with the well-timed swing, and came away with a beautiful line drive into center field. And now they've got some speed on first, so we'll see if they try to get him into motion.
The 0-2. Swing and a high fly ball, well struck. That one is foul, and he'll see another. In the air to left center, Ditter on the move to the gap. And that is that. It's the WBC. Glad to have you back. Leading off, Jeremy Profar. Ball one, no strikes. Just missed. Swing and a ground ball, and that's just foul. The 2-1. And there's a ball. Comes up empty. That's strike two. And they'll do it again. Here comes a 3-2. Puts it in the air out towards left center. Grisham on the move to the alley. Pulls it down and he makes the catch. Now this is a rocket to left. And there are two down. 2 outs, base is empty. And here's the catcher, Chadwick Trump. Foul ball. That one finds the zone. That's strike two. The other way. And that'll do it. New pitcher on now, Derek West.
They know that he can get a right-hander out, but he's in position to face a couple of lefties this inning.
And first offering is fouled off.
Well, these guys doing a good job of simply getting the bat on the ball in this game, and the numbers back that up. They're hitting everything thrown at them. Their contact rate is in the low 90s. It's like they know what's coming, and that's just pretty ridiculous what they're doing right now. Those numbers are well above the major league average.
In the air, center field, Rafaela should have this one. And there's 2 away.
Hey, man, 4 pitches, 2 outs. That is an excellent base.
Rice, the next to hit, takes ball 1. And there's a strike on the outside corner. Swings through that one out in front that time.
That's a real nice cutter right there. I mean, this guy can struggle with the inside pitch at times, so I'd say that's pretty effective if you can continue to command it on that side of the plate.
Breaking ball misses up and in.
Really good take, especially with 2 strikes.
And there's ball 4.
You know, I think he's okay with that outcome. It wasn't an intentional walk, but he wasn't exactly trying to attack the zone either.
Swing and a high fly ball. That's out to center. That is the inning. Welcome back. It's the World Baseball Classic semifinals here at Lone Depot Park in Miami, Florida, USA. Here's the left fielder, Ray Patrick Ditter. Grisham on his way over, pulls it down, and he makes the catch. 1 pitch and 1 out.
Well, he's been incredibly efficient in this one. First pitch strike percentage over 70%. That's well above league average, and that's what's allowed him to pitch well up until this point.
Swing and a miss. And that's 4 strikeouts. 2 down, bases empty. Here's Xander Bogaerts.
This guy is just filling up the strike zone right now. Don't want to get yourself in an 0-2 hole. You better be ready to pull the trigger on the first pitch.
Bogaerts swings through that one. In the air, right field. Cortez coming on. Brings it in. And that is that. We're here at the WBC. Welcome back. Bottom 4, Trent Grisham getting ready to hit.
Ball 1.
Back-to-back breaking pitches away, you get the feeling as a hitter that the pitcher's afraid of you, that he doesn't want to challenge you. So I think the confidence level is raised right here.
Here's a 3-0. Fastball for a strike. That one is hammered right field. That's back. And it's into the bullpen for a homer. He'll take a trot around the bases. And they tack on to their lead. It's 4-0.
High fastballs, especially with good velocity, can be really hard to catch up to. But he stays tall, his top hand works extremely well, and he absolutely clobbered it. So he's just got to delete it. You give up that leadoff home run, go back to work, focus on this next batter.
And he swings through that one. Nobody on, nobody out with a run in. We're here in the bottom of the 4th. Swings and misses. It's a strikeout. And that's the first out. Nice recovery after giving up the homer. So digging in, Kevin McGonigal. Fly to left his first time. Ground ball right side. Profile steps on the bag and 2 away now.
Ball.
2-0 count. You really don't want to give in here. You got to work the edges, really execute a pitch. Hopefully you can get back into this count.
And another ball. Fastball for a strike.
Thought the green light might be on right there, but maybe not. If you're looking to swing in that count, that's the pitch you want.
And that's low for ball 4.
Maybe a little loss of focus on the mound right there. Pretty much gifted him first base with a quick free pass.
Here's C.J. Abrams to hit.
Ball.
Crushed. Left center field. This one's deep. Forget it. A 2-run blast. It's their second home run of the inning, and they add to the lead. It's 6-0.
It's like he's playing wiffle ball up there, and that's typically not the easiest way to hit a home run. The slight opposite field into the gap. Man, making it look easy, that's for sure.
Ball.
Two down, nobody on. Swing and a ball lined out towards center. That is the inning. And we're back
Leading
at the
off
World
for the
Baseball
Netherlands,
Classic.
the second baseman,
We go to the top of the fifth. Ozzie Albies digs in now.
Well, these players, they're not going to be happy with the at-bats they've been having so far. We're in the back half of the game, and they're still searching for a base runner. He's been great out there on the mound, no doubt, but it's also been a disappointing performance at the plate to this point.
It's one up, one down. And there's a foul ball.
The heater can be a tone setter for a pitcher, but if it's not effective, it goes the other way. It becomes a tone setter for the offense. They just haven't been able to do much with it in this one.
And that misses. Going to count 1-2. Gets a piece there. We'll do it again. Spoils the 2-strike pitch, and he'll see another. Got him swinging for the strikeout. He picks up his 5th strikeout on the hill. 2 outs, base is empty. And now here is Hendrik Clementina. Inside, just missed. Up the middle. Oh, great stop. Over to first. And they get the out.
Now pitching.
Back now to start the bottom of the 5th, and taking over on the mound, Jaden Estanista.
Well, they need someone to stop the bleed and keep the score right where it is. Seems like a tough task today with the way this lineup is swinging it.
Hammered down the right side, but foul. And that's down and away. This one in the air, center field. Rafaela settles underneath it. 1 away. And here's the first baseman, Ben Rice. He's already homered in this game.
Number 22, Ben Rice.
At the ball.
Way out front for strike 2.
He got away with one there, but he knows he can't go into that spot very often against a guy like this.
And it's fouled off. They'll do it again. The 1-2. Just misses with that one. Chases the changeup in the dirt. Gets to it, on to first. Out. 2 away now after the drop third strike.
Now batting for Lehigh Valley, the third baseman, number 6, Young.
Ball, that's out.
Slapped hard the other way, but foul. On the ground to third. Play made, that ends the inning. Welcome back from Miami, Florida, where it's time to win or go home. It's the World Baseball Classic semifinal round. Top six, Jeremy Profar now at the plate. Hey! Keeps the at-bat going with a foul ball. Swings through it, and that's a strikeout.
Up next for the Netherlands, the right fielder, number 4, Drew Jones.
I'm impressed by the number of first pitch strikes. He's not afraid of contact. Some guys, they'll nibble just because they don't want to get hit hard. That's not what we're seeing here.
And a foul ball, he stays alive. Here's the 0-2. Strike three, and that's 2 in a row. Two down, base is empty. Chadwick Trump will hit next. He's 0 for 1.
Not what he's looking for there in the 0-0 count. Looks like he wants the ball down in the zone. Definitely a swing and miss slider down and in. He finished that really well. Just couldn't get him to offer at it.
That pitch clips the outside corner. That is strike 2. Fights it off. He'll see another. Netherlands hitless so far in the game. Got him swinging for the strikeout. And he strikes out the side here in the 6th. Welcome back to the World Baseball Classic. Well, we go bottom 6. Trent Grisham getting ready to hit. Time called. Now a screamer into the outfield. And that's got extra bases written all over it. And he starts the bottom of the 6th with a double.
Now batting for the Iron Pig, the left fielder, number 30, Gavin Keith.
First offering misses badly for ball 1. This one in the air center field. Rafaela gets under it. He makes the grab. Runner tags at second. And now a wide throw to third. Here's the second baseman, Kevin McGonigal. Just off the inside edge. One away with a runner at third here in the bottom of the 6th. This one smoked on its way out of here. A gigantic blast. And they add on. That's their 4th home run of the game.
They can't stop, and they won't stop hitting home runs in this one, Boog. They're clearly feeding off of each other at the dish.
Rip, but it curls foul. Swing and a high fly ball left field. Ditter under it. 2 away now.
It's a good recovery, though, after.
So they turn things over to the righty, Eric Mendez. He's into the game with the bases empty. Next is the designated hitter, C.J. Abrams. And it's fouled away. Comes up empty.
Ball one.
And there's a base hit to left. So a 2-out knock keeps the inning alive.
I know it was a ground ball, but it was absolutely hammered through the infield. That's not one you're excited to get in front of if you're an infielder. You know they used to say, charge it. Crazy.
Swing and a miss as he was out front that time. To the right side, Albies out with room to spare, and that's the inning. But two come across to score in the inning, courtesy of this two-run homer. It's now an 8-0 game. It's the WBC. Glad to have you back. We go to the top of this.
Now pitching. Justin.
Well, a good slider from an opposite-handed pitcher has to stay in that tunnel just a little bit longer. Otherwise, recognition can cause you to barrel it up. And right there, the hitter clearly couldn't do anything with it.
That one almost got him.
Straighten him up a little bit.
And a good eye there. On the ground, and that's through. Their first hit of the ball game. Man aboard on the leadoff single. In the air, right field. Cortez on the move. Pulls it down, and he makes the catch. One pitch and one out. And here comes Sander Bogaerts. Oh, 2 now. Ball one to Bogaerts.
Executed that pitch very nicely, just missed with it.
Good job to fight that one off. The 1-2. Swing and a miss, and he got him. Now 2 away.
Second baseman,
Well, this looks like it's going to be a wasted opportunity. It's frustrating when you get the leadoff man on, but you can't get him into scoring position. They're going to need a big knock. Try to put something up on the board.
The 0-2. Battling here as he fouls it away. Fights that one away, and the count remains 0-2. Stays alive. Fouled off, and they'll do it again. Goes down swinging for the strikeout. He battled for a long time, but it finishes with a strikeout. You can't be mad at yourself after an at-bat like that. We're back in a new pitcher here to start the bottom of the 7th. Chiron Martis. Out there to center. One down.
Really nice job to get your first out of the ball game.
So up next, Ben Rice. That misses the zone, and it's 1-0. Swing and a ball driven pretty well out towards left center. Got it. Nice grab. 2 down. And first offering is fouled off. 2 down, nobody on. Here in the bottom of the 7th.
The only
Oh,
adjustment he
that's
needs to make is his target. If you aim at the outside corner, that slider's going to end up way off the plate. Perhaps look a little more down the middle, and you get it right where you want it.
Swing and a high fly ball out towards right field. That is the inning. Back here in Miami, ready to begin the 8th. Didi Gregorius at the plate.
Man, this guy's got a great feel for his breaking ball today.
That one ripped, but foul. 0-2 now. Slice the other way. That's a base hit. And a good start to the inning.
Back against the wall with 2 strikes, but found a way. Pretty much a model swing on that one as he ripped it into the opposite field gap. And I'm sure he's going to be watching that one back on video because that's the kind of swing you want to bottle. So many positives that led to that knock. Well, the leadoff man gets on. You want to minimize the threat by playing sound defense. Hopefully the pitcher can get a ball on the ground and they can roll him up for 2.
This one in the air, right field. Base hit. Throw back in quickly. First and second now with nobody out. So digging in, Jeremy Profar. And first offering is fouled off. Top of the zone for a called strike. Ground ball right side, could be 2. To Elliott, second for 1. And they turn to double play.
Up next for the Netherlands, the right fielder, number 4, Drew Jones.
0-1.
2 outs and a runner at third. And we're in the top of the 8th.
Ball 2.
In the air, right field, and it stays fair. The run scores from third. It's 8-1. Relay throw to second, but he's in there easily. So man aboard, and now Chadwick Tromp. Tap foul at the plate. The 0-1. In the air to left center. Grisham turns to the right on the move. Pulls it down and he makes the catch. And that is that. Back now, new pitcher on the mound as we roll into the bottom of the 8th. R.I. Frunson. Inside. And that's ball 1. Comes up empty as he chases that one in the dirt. Gets him. 1 away on a drop third strike.
Well, maybe approaching this at bat with a bit too much determination. Sometimes you just got to let the game come to you.
Sheets in now. Takes ball 1 off the plate. To the right side. Albies. Throw to first in time.
Hit an absolute tape measure shot last time up.
Ball. That's inside.
And that is out of play. There's a 1-1. That one pushed foul. Two down, nobody on. There's a swing and a drive. That one is back. And that's a home run into the upper deck. Another homer. His second homer of the night. And they add a run. It's 9-1.
Get as many high fives as possible, man. This guy's a ball of energy right now and having the game of his life.
Ball, that's out.
That one to first. He takes it himself to the bag, and that'll do it. Back here at Lone Depot Park. All set to start the ninth. And
Now pitching, Noah. Go.
check swing called strike. That's strike one. He swings and drives one out to deep left field. That one back there, and it is gone. Nobody on, nobody out with a run in here at the top of the ninth. Struck him out looking. And a strikeout for the first out here in the ninth. It's Xander Bogaerts now.
Part of the order coming through now, and with one home run already in this inning, they're definitely looking to do some more damage.
In there at the knees for a strike.
That's a ball.
This one in the air. Out number 2. And first offering is fouled off. 2 down, nobody on.
Ball upstairs. Nope, that's a ball.
On the ground to the left, and it goes just foul. Schultz is just 1 strike away, and that one hammered, and that one is foul, so we'll try it again. Here's a 2-2, and that'll do it. They're moving on.
Offensive explosion today for these players. They gave up a few runs, but they had more than enough firepower to turn this one into a blowout.
Well, Singy, it wasn't pretty, but here's another look at the final line.
Yeah, Boog, this one wasn't close. Not a lot of drama at the end either, and you just don't see a lot of blowouts in the postseason.
This one ends the final 9-2. For Chris Singleton and our entire crew, I'm John Shambi saying so long.